ready to go to Pluto. Ran up a bag, I was tying noodles. Only got one life, don't get a door. Stay in your lane, little nigga, better scoot over. Met her today, she already wanna come over. I'm not the one that you about to run over. Knocking out my problems, I'm feeling like Kimbo. Breaking down nuts, they be looking like Ditto. You can't get comfortable, you cannot settle. The goal is getting your butt out the ghetto. Keep me some hitters, got several. Stop making deals with the devil. Don't get nobody your info. Don't worry about nothing that you can't control. Trap doing numbers, they out of control. I cherish my spotlight, I got a mold. I can see the top through my window. I'ma tour the block in the Reno. Invest in this stuff.
Hey,
what's good, YouTube? It's been a while.
Yes, it has.
We back though. We had some real life situations take place, but we back, y'all. We
yes.
back humble as ever. Yeah, though, and we back.
But yeah, we're gonna talk about our YouTube, the beginning, the start. Babe, what was the date that we started?
I think we started YouTube October 21st.
Okay, yeah. We basically started October 16th.
October 16th.
But our first video was posted
October 21st.
Yes.
2021.
Yep. So with that being said, we started off doing pranks. That was
doing the pranks.
Yeah. That was our whole idea of the whole page. We were gonna start doing pranks. And just go from there. And here we are.
It took us 2.5. You gotta meet the criteria to get monetized. You need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And we got 1,000 subscribers in about, I want to say a month and a half.
Yeah, yep, it was 6 weeks.
And it took a little bit longer for the watch time hours, which is okay because that's 4,000. So yeah, we got the 4,000 watch hours in probably 2 weeks after that.
Yeah.
So basically it took us 2 months to get monetized. Yeah.
Yeah.
You basically got to fill out your information and apply for the YouTube partnership program, and then you got to wait for them to get back with you. I heard it took about a month. Everybody say it take extremely long, but baby, in our case, it took us about 2 weeks, or not even 2 weeks, probably like a week and a half, and then we was approved. Yeah. Bingo. So yeah, then we had to go, we got to monetize. Then we had to go back to all our videos that we posted, and we had to turn the monetization on for those videos, add the ads or whatnot.
So that way they can go back to those videos that were missed.
Exactly, and here we are,
and next we had to wait on today.
This came today, so yeah, we would open this up.
This was the last thing we was waiting on,
and then we would actually fill those numbers out and put it into the Google AdSense account on your YouTube studio, and that's how you would get paid from YouTube. So yeah, we moving in the right steps.
So yeah, if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
And then if you are interested in doing YouTube, we just broke down the whole formula for y'all. So yeah, though. But yeah, it wasn't really hard, but it's hard to be consistent. That's the hard work right there. You just gotta be consistent.
Yep.
Drop videos every day, have good thumbnails, and yeah, anybody can get monetized.
Yep, and focus on your one content. 1 or 2. I'll say 1 or 2 because I ain't gonna just limit it just 1. 1 or 2, but we chose 1 for now. So. And we told ourselves that we had to drop every single day.
Sign into your AdSense account and find the PIN verification card on your home page. Yeah, put your PIN in and you're good to go with that.
But yeah, they sent us the code. Here it is. Hey.
Yeah, so yeah though. It's grind time from here, y'all.
Yes.
We gotta keep going.
Yes.
Thank you for all the support and all the love. You feel me?
We really appreciate it. We needed it. We needed all that.
Yeah, we've been down for a couple days. We haven't been consistent lately, y'all, because like I said, real life happened to us. Situation with my daughter. Oh, God bless her. She's amazing.
My baby.
But she's strong as an ox. But yeah, though, y'all, we about to get back humble for y'all. We about to fill y'all up with a lot of content. It's only right though, right?
Yep. Every single day, because I'm coming back with them bangers. Hashtag Team Desi in those comments.
Hashtag Team Rella in those comments. It's Rella Desi gang.
But yeah, Hashtag Team Dez. Go ahead and hit that like button. Period. If y'all have any questions on anything that we were just discussing, go ahead and comment down below and we will get back to you with the answers.
Yup, you did. So if y'all got any ideas for us, give us some ideas for some more prank videos. Let us know what y'all want us to do, what y'all think we should do, what we look good doing. So let us know.
Yeah.
Hit our inbox up, leave a comment. We look at comments.
Yeah, we do. And we respond to all of them.
I'll try to respond to
No,
every
we
single one.
do respond to all of them. It's just in a certain time.
It might take a minute, but yeah. It's going.
Yeah.
Let us know what y'all want us to do.
Yeah, because we here for y'all. We know, you know, y'all want to see y'all pranks every day. So we about to get
Let us know if y'all want to see.
going.
Let us know if y'all want to see more vlogs or something like that.
Yeah.
A couple challenges or something. Let us know what y'all want to see.
Yeah, that's all you got to do.
Let us know if y'all like story time. If y'all want to hear some story time, we got plenty of those.
Yeah, we do.
You feel?
I think you got a lot.
Well, yeah, I do. We've been together for a long time, so I can go back.
Ooh, this man is funny, y'all.
Yeah. What you about to do for the rest of the night?
I'm probably about to finish washing clothes.
That's what's up.
I was gonna do my hair.
I like your hair.
Boy, if you don't.
Ew. This is not cute.
It's natural to give you a little poof.
A poof. He's so cute. That was
Yeah,
cute.
yeah. Hey, remember this game back in the day? Let's see if I can beat you into it.
Oh, hold on, wait. You cheated.
All right, come on. Get this.
But y'all, yeah, I'm about to act like I sneezed in your boy's face. I'm about to take some water and I'm about to throw it in his face and he about to think I sneezed right at him. Like, y'all, I'm nervous, but go ahead and leave a comment down below. Go ahead, hashtag Team Dez. Hashtag Team Dez, because y'all already know how I'm coming. I always got some up my sleeve, so y'all stay right there. Don't go nowhere. Go get a piece of ice so that way when I throw my hand, he gonna think I sneezed like all in his face. Hold on.
Remember this game real quick? Remember this game, babe?
Okay.
This game, remember this? So come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
What you got for?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm gonna go, man. Why you just sneeze on my face, babe? Man, why you just sneeze on my face?
I'm sorry.
Damn, I got slime and shit. That shit went in my mouth, bro. Ah! Damn, man, what? Oh my God, bro. Why you just spit in my face, bro? Like, come on, babe.
I'm sorry.
Ugh. Get your, you got COVID? Get back, babe, for real though, get back.
I'm sorry.
Get back. Don't be sneezing on my face. That shit
I'm sorry,
was nasty.
babe.
For real,
I'm
that
sorry.
shit went in my eye.
You want me to get you a towel?
I love you and all, but I ain't trying to get sick.
Let me get you a towel. I'm sorry.
The shit went on my lip, bro. That shit nasty.
I'm sorry.
Shit was salty.
I'm so sorry, Pooh.
For real. Man.
I'm sorry.
It
You about to keep talking about it?
I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna drop it, but it seems like you aim right for my face. I'm gonna drop it though.
It seemed like I aimed right for your face?
Yes.
You being over dramatic.
Dang.
You being over dramatic, Jay. Stop it.
Damn. How much don't
You really
stand
think I
on?
did that on purpose?
Dang. No, you good.
Yeah, okay.
Dang, that's embarrassing. We were just doing a vlog.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, Pooh. I'm so sorry, Jay.
Sorry.
It was ice.
Got him! Got him! Oh! Whoa!
It was ice.
It was ice.
Oh, so you think you slick? You tried to prank your boy while we was doing a vlog.
It was ice, y'all. Tell him to calm down.
I was about to say, girl.
Hashtag Team Des in those comments, and if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your
hashtag
post
Team Real.
notifications so you are notified every single time we drop a new banger.
We about to go hard for y'all, man. It's Team Real and Team Desi in the building. Real and Desi gang. Put them
Period.
together. You know what I mean?
Period. Like this video up, y'all. We'll see y'all in our next video.
We love y'all.
Make sure y'all leave those comments and those likes.
You did. Gang, gang.
I'm not mad.